Hi everybody, this is Miss LB with a little math homework help video for you this week. Our math work this week is very different than probably what you've seen growing up. And so I want to make sure that everybody knows how to help their kiddos this weekend with homework. If you've already done homework, feel free to go back and try a few problems again on just a separate piece of paper. But I wouldn't make your kiddos redo everything just so they're not feeling frustrated. So our whole goal for this first module has been finding ways to make 10. Kids have started memorizing their friends to 10, like 4 plus 6 equals 10, 1 plus 9, 8 plus 2, and so on. So those facts are starting to become firm. So we're going to now use those facts to make this math problem easier. I'm going to show with two problems from the homework sheet that kids should have brought home on Friday. So the first one is 29 plus 5. What I'm going to do is decompose this 5 into 1 and 4. I decomposed it into 1 and 4 because 29 needs a 1 to make 30, the next 10. Kids have learned that we can make a 10 or multiples of 10, so 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. 29 plus 1, I circle, and I know that equals 30. Now I add what's left, that 4. 30 plus 4 equals 34. And then I tell the kids we have to be careful that we remember to put our 34 up here because right now our equation says 29 plus 5 is the same as nothing. So we have to make sure that our 34 goes up here. If your kids are having trouble with this abstract concept, you could show them a more pictorial concept. So it would look like this if kids want to draw it out. I would have 29, so this is a 10, this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Notice that I drew my circles in groups of 5 so that I can easily see how many more I need to make the next 10. So now I'm going to add 5, but I'm going to complete the 10 first. So I have 1, here's a 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now kids can see I made a 10 with that 1 from the 5, and I had 4 left over. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Let's try it with this one. This problem is a little trickier because the kids have to recognize that 18 needs 2, not 1, to make 20. So what I'm going to do is think, where can I get 2 more to give to this 18 to make 20? I can decompose or break down this 4 into 2 and 2. A common error that kids make is they don't decompose properly. Some will write 2 and then 3 over here. We want to make sure that these two numbers, these two parts, build to make the whole. So 18 plus 2, I'm going to circle those and compose them or put them together to make 20. Then I'm going to add the 2 that's left over. 20 plus 2 equals 22. Again, if you want to go more abstract, I would draw 1, 10, 8 ones, again making sure that I put my circles in 5 groups. Now I can easily see that I need 2 more to make the next 10. So I'm going to take that 2 from the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've made a 10 here. So now I have 10, 20, 21, 22. Make sure that you fill in your answer space up here because we know 18 plus 4 is not the same as 22. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out either by phone call or text message, email. My contact information is in the family handbook, which went home at back to school night. Thanks.